Hello kids, I'm Neetu. We are doing Basic Mathematics Class 3 by Coral Publisher. So today we are starting chapter 7, Time. Measurement of time. We use a clock to tell the time. A clock has two hands, an hour hand and a minute hand. However, some clocks have a third hand called seconds hand. Hour end of a clock measure the hours. There are 12 on the face of the clock from 1 to 12. The hour end goes 2 round across the face of the clock in one day. There are 24 hours in one day. Minute hand of a clock measure the minutes between 2 hours. There are 5 small division. So there are total 60 small division that show the minutes. So 12 into 5 यानी 60 division. To understand the minutes more clearly, we can count in steps of 5 to calculate minutes. अगर minute hand at 1 है यानी 5 minutes हो गए हमें. At 2 means 2 into 5, 10 minutes. At 3 means 3 into 5, 15 minutes. Okay? आप देख सकते हैं जो small hand है it is hour hand and the big one is this is the minute hand. और जो ये एक थोड़ा सा very thin you can see this is the second hand. Okay? Now minute hand complete one full round across the face of the clock in 1 hour. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Many clocks and watches have thin long hand other than the hour and minute hand that measure seconds. So this is called the second hand. This thin long hand ticks once every second, completing one round in 1 minute. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 1 hour means 60 minutes and 1 minute means 60 seconds. Now we are talking about to and past. The face of the clock is divided into two halves, right hand side and left hand side. See, हमने two parts में divide कर दिया, right hand side and left hand side. When the minute hand is on the right hand side means from 12 to 6 of the clock, it shows the number of minutes past the hour. जब minute hand इस साइड होगी यानी 12 to 6 जाएगी यानी past. Okay, and when the minute hand is on the left hand side यानी from 6 to 12 of the clock, it shows the number of minutes to the next hour. Next hour होने में कितना time है. Like here you can see this time it is 9:10. 9 बज के 10 minutes यानी 10 past 9 यानी 9 बजे हुए 10 minutes हो चुके हैं यानी 10 past 9 यानी 10 minutes after 9. ओके, जैसे भी यहाँ पर है 8:50 का मतलब क्या है कि 10 minutes अभी बचे हैं 9 होने में. Right? So starting from 12 we can say that 12 to 6 is past the hour and 6 to 12 is to the hour. जैसे यहाँ पे क्या है 6:15 और इसको हम बोलेंगे quarter past 6. और ये क्या है 5:45 यानी अभी 6 बजने में 15 minutes हैं तो quarter to 6. ओके, यानी 15 minutes before 12. Now when the minute hand has moved a quarter यानी 1/4 around the face of the clock, it is written as quarter past. When the minute hand has moved 3 quarters around the face of the clock, it is known as quarter to. We can read a given time in two ways. The hour end is just after 5 and the minute hand is at 5. अब दोनों जो है वो 5 पर हैं. So this clock is showing what's time 5:25. So it can be read as 25 minutes past 5 since minute hand is at right side of the face of the clock. Okay, now इसमें time क्या है? The clock showing the time 5:50 यानी अभी 6 होने में 10 minutes हैं. So when the minute hand is on the left hand side, the time can be read as 10 minutes to 6. Okay. Now look at the clock. वापस टाइमिंग गिवन है. The short hand or hour end is at 12. The minute hand is at 5. Marks after 12. So the time is 5 minutes past 12. यानी 12 बजे हुए 5 minutes हो गए हैं. So we write this as 12:05. 12:05. The column separate the hours from the minutes. Hours are written on left hand side of the column and minutes are on the right side. Similarly, in this clock, the time shown is 7 minutes past 12. अगर हम ये देखें तो इसमें 7 minutes हो गए हैं, तो 7 minutes past 12 means 12:07. 12:07. इसमें हम टाइम कैसे देखेंगे? 12 मिनट हैंड 2 पर है, 12:10. 12:10 यानी 10 minutes past 12. यहाँ पे दिस इज 5:40 क्योंकि मिनट हैंड 8 पर है तो 40 मिनट्स एंड ये 5 और 6 के बीच में है यानी 5, तो 5:40 यानी अभी 20 मिनट्स बचे हैं 6 होने में, तो 20 minutes to 6. नाउ लुक एट द क्लॉक गिवन अलोंग साइड. तो आपके पास ये टाइम क्या है? जो आवर एंड है वो 2 और 3 के बीच में है. द आवर एंड इज बियॉन्ड 2 एंड द मिनट हैंड इज एट 6. तो 6 का मतलब क्या है? कितने मिनट्स? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 मिनट्स. ओके, सो द मिनट हैंड एट 6 shows 30 minutes. So we say that what is the time? 2:30 और 30 minutes past 2 o'clock यानी 2 बज चुके हैं और कितने मिनट पास हो चुके हैं? 30 minutes. So 30 minutes past 2 o'clock. Okay. So exercise 1 is based on such type of time. You can try these one. Very interesting. Now we are expressing time as term of AM or PM. Time after midnight, 12 o'clock at night to 12 o'clock noon are written with AM. For example, 1 hour after midnight is expressed as 1 AM. जब रात को 1 बजता है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं 1 AM. Similarly, 3.5 hour after midnight is written as 3:30 AM. Okay? And time after noon, जब दोपहर के 12 बजे के बाद यानी 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock night is described with PM. उसको हम लिखते हैं PM से. For example, 2 hours after noon यानी 12 बजे के बाद 2 बजेंगे और उस 2 को हम लिखेंगे PM के साथ 2 PM. And 4.5 hour after noon means 4:30 PM. While 6 in the evening is 6 PM. So AM and PM come from the Latin ante-meridian and post-meridian, which mean before and after midday respectively. Example 1 express the time using AM or PM. A part 18 minutes past 4 in the evening. अब इवनिंग के 4 बज चुके हैं और 18 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं यानी 4:18, तो 4:18 इवनिंग है तो PM. Then B part 15 minutes to 5 in the morning. अभी मॉर्निंग के 5 बजने वाले हैं, उसमें 15 मिनट्स बचे हैं यानी 4:45 AM. ओके, तो आपने ऐसे क्वेश्चन ट्राई करने हैं. एक्सरसाइज 2 बेस्ड ऑन सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू कैन ट्राई दीज वन. लाइक द 6th क्वेश्चन देखो 7:45 इन द इवनिंग, तो आप कैसे लिखेंगे? 7:45 PM. इवनिंग में PM. ओके, देन हेयर लाइक 4:30 मिनट्स आफ्टर मिडनाइट, रात को 12 बजे के बाद 30 मिनट्स यानी 12:30 हो जाएंगे और AM, तब AM स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, जैसे 4 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग तो 4 AM. राइट? So similarly you can try others one. Now converting days, hours and minutes. The minute hand takes 1 hour or 60 minutes to go around the face of the clock once. So there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. अगर हम 2 आवर्स की बात करेंगे तो 2 इंटू 60 मिनट यानी 120 मिनट होते हैं 2 आवर्स में। 3 आवर्स में 3 इंटू 60 यानी आवर्स को अगर मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60। द आवर एंड टेक्स 12 आवर्स टू गो अराउंड द क्लॉक वंस इन अ डे। द आवर एंड गोज अराउंड द क्लॉक ट्वाइस। तो 1 डे में 24 आवर्स। ओके, so 12 into 2 equals to 24 hours in a day. So we know that 1 day 24 hours और 1 hour 60 minutes. तो इन रिलेशनशिप को हम यूज करेंगे। लाइक एग्जाम्पल 2, हाउ मेनी आवर्स आर देयर इन 2 days। तो 1 डे में 24 आवर्स हैं तो 2 days में 2 into 24 48 आवर्स। एग्जाम्पल 3, हाउ मेनी आवर्स आर देयर इन 3 days। 1 डे में 24 है, 3 में 3 into 24 72 आवर्स। एग्जाम्पल 4, हाउ मेनी मिनट्स आर देयर इन 4 आवर्स। 1 आवर में 60 मिनट्स है तो 4 आवर में 4 into 60 240 मिनट्स। तो ऐसे ही आप क्वेश्चन ट्राई कर सकते हैं। एक्सरसाइज 3। नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू कैलेंडर। A second is over in the blink of an eye. A minute takes a little longer. We know that 60 seconds make a minute and an hour is much longer. We know that 60 minutes make an hour. So there are units to describe longer time period. 24 hours means 1 day, 7 days means 1 week, 14 days means 1 fortnight, 30 days means 1 month, 12 months means 1 year, 10 years means 1 decade, 100 years means 1 century and 1000 years means 1 millennium. तो आपको ये याद रखना है। Although 1 year equals 12 months, 1 year does not equal 12 into 30, 360 days. All units of time are based on how long it takes the earth to go around the sun once. The earth takes 1 year which equals almost 365 1/4 days to go around the sun once. This is why a full day gets added to year almost once in every 4 years to make that year a leap year, and the month of February in a leap year has 29 instead of 28 days. Thus a leap year has 366 days. So most leap years are divisible by 4 years: 2004, 2008, 2012. These all are leap years. Other than February, there are some months with 30 days and some with 31 days. आप देख सकते हैं, you can see your hand fist. January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. हम कैसे करते हैं? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so April, June, September and November have 30 days while the month of February has either 28 or 29. This can easily be remembered by looking at the knuckles of your hands. Every month except the month of February either has 30 or 31 days. A calendar shows us the dates, days, weeks and months in 1 year. Some calendars also highlight holidays. So to describe a particular day of year in India, we first write the date, then the ordinal number of the month and finally the year. We can separate the 3 with a slash or a dot. Hence, Gandhi Jayanti in 2022 falls on 2nd October यानी 02, 10th month यानी 10 and year 2022. Or you can write like this by slash. So both of which are read as the 2nd of October 2022. So note that October is the 10th month of the year. We know this thing, okay? So exercise 4, you can try this one. Now operation involving time. Let us learn addition and subtraction of time. First we are doing addition. Example 5, add 8 hours and 4 hours. हमने यूनिट्स को देखना है, दोनों आवर्स में है, नो प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट ऐड 8 + 4 12 आवर्स. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 6, ऐड 3 hours 21 minutes and 4 hours 15 minutes. Arrange into columns hours and minutes. 3 hours 21, 4 hours 15. Added 7 hours 36 minutes. Example 7. A potter takes 1 hour 7 minutes to craft an earthen pot. He takes another 2 hours 15 minutes to bake and paint it. How long does he take to make the pot? कितना टाइम लगा? तो 1 hour 7 minute, यानी अब देखो इसको यहाँ पे ध्यान से लिखना है. 7 मिनट का मतलब क्या है? 107, नॉट 70. ये बन जाएगा 70. तो 1 hour 7 minute for crafting, for baking and painting 2 hours 15 minutes. इन दोनों को कर देंगे हम add. 3 hours 22 minutes. Now subtraction. Example 8. Subtract 14 minutes from 38 minutes. दोनों मिनट्स में है, सिंपली माइनस कर दो. अगर दोनों डिफरेंट होते तो फिर हम कन्वर्ट करते. ओके, सो 38 में से 14 माइनस किया, 24 मिनट. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 9. Subtract 2 hours 21 minutes from 5 hours 53 minutes. तो अरेंज कर दो कॉलम वाइज, माइनस कर दो. 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 2 3, 5 minus 2 3. 3 hours 32 minutes. Now example 10. Parul entered the zoo at 3:05 p.m. and came out at 5:48 p.m. For how long was Parul inside the zoo? कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया, यानी दोनों का डिफरेंस. सो Parul came out at 5 hours 48 minutes. Went in at 3 hours 5 minutes, means 3:05 p.m. था और 5:48 p.m. ओके, तो आवर्स और मिनट्स में अरेंज किया, माइनस कर देंगे 2 hours 43 minutes. So exercise 5 is based on such type of question. You can try these one. I hope this is clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.